The biggest challenge we face right now, teaching our children to be the leaders of tomorrow, is using the facilities of yesterday. And that's just a disservice to them, and we need something like this to really put them on a level playing field with people at, say, Tustin Unified.
The walls look kind of old and musty, and I wonder why other schools get updated stuff and we don't.
I have friends that go to other schools, and I know that they have better conditions at their schools. Our school's conditions aren't as good as they could be.
And there's like a lot of like cockroaches and stuff like that, and it's really gross.
I feel like students react well to their environment. When they see a professional environment, they feel professional, they work better. And when they see something where time and effort's been put into it, they feel that and they react positively to that.
Yeah, I appreciate what we do have, but at the same time, other people have like better things, and so it's like, we should have that too.
When I see a nice facility like this, I wonder, why can't our students deserve that? And that's a strange message for us to be sending our kids.